taught me the realities of life. Being here, immersing myself, made me realize that community has helped me more than anything.
We found a common ground despite the differences. Learning and living with people help us advance to the ways of real life. My groupmates and I found ourselves away from the comforts of our home.
It has been a daunting challenge for the entire team. The way we work with different CHPs, the way that we handle the community people, the way that we have built ourselves. I think it's all part of the process of being the kind of Ignatian physician that the Ateneo has always dreamed of building.
Adjustment was not easy, to tell you honestly, but we took it as a challenge and a learning experience. We found a home away from home.
In a country where the physician-to-patient ratio is 1 to every 20,000 population, and the prevalence of communicable diseases is still a public health concern, we who are assigned in Barangay San Jose have seen and felt the greater need to empower, educate, and mobilize community residents.
One of the biggest challenges that we have encountered was educating the population and correcting different misconceptions.
We thought that it's easy to teach the community which trash to throw to which bin and which is to another. It is actually more challenging than that. I think the biggest struggle that we had was to teach the people the mindset that improper waste management is indeed a problem.
We have struggled with lobbying for the funds and vaccines needed for vaccination clinics. We are looking at wrong faces. Whoever we have realized we have just stopped community residents, then we have the long colors in hand.
Giduaw nila ang kadako. Isumbay nila unsa ang kuan, unsa ang mga problema sa mga bata. Labi na gyud sa pagbakuna gyud. Kinsa tong wala na na-immunize, ila gyud ipang-immunize. Katong dili kaanha sa center, ila gyud giadto. Ila gyud gyud trabaho ang ilahang pag-ilang pag-community sa ilang community, sa ilang assignment, sa ilang pagabuhaton. Kung miss na kayo nako sila, kay gumikan diri sila sa balay, mga biglaan, sa ilang mga buluhaton, diri sila magtapos. I love you and I miss you all.
Na-miss na ko kayo. Especially to Aisa, ni Sin, ni Paul, Ele, at saka yung iba. Lahat-lahat, yung ginawa ninyo, hindi namin kalimutan. Kasi alam ko na doktor na kayo. No? Hindi kami malilimot sa inyo. Salamat, mga doktor. Mabuhay!
So being able to witness the community of San Jose create their own dog collars, design their MRFs, and even beautify their own Christmas paroles. It is not just a fulfilling feeling. It's not just something that gives credit to us, but also more also on the gives credit to the people of San Jose, because what we did was only to steer their resourcefulness and creativity in helping their community become a cleaner and better one.
The community has taught me the value of communication just as much as I value knowledge. It taught me that compassion and patience are as important as skill. And no amount of
San Jose has become and will always be our home. And if you ask me what I would be missing the most, then I would say everything. Every inch, every corner is buried a special place in my mind that I will cherish for the rest of my life.
It's such a privilege to be a part of something big, something impactful, and something that could really make a difference. The Ateneo and its community curriculum has molded us to become physicians for the people and physicians for the nation.
Maybe time is unusual, so we are always living in the present tense. And it always seems unforgiving when a good thing ends. And we will never get a second chance at our first chance.
And as we leave San Jose, we leave behind memories, but at the same time, we have built and we will be living a legacy.
Nothing is more fulfilling than witnessing the ones very dependent standing on their feet.
And in time, we can only say, it's good to see you again, my old friend.